Where is my wallet? I can't find it. Where is my wallet? I can't find it.
Your wallet is under the bed, dear. Your wallet is under the bed, dear.
What time did you sleep last night? What time did you sleep last night?
I slept around 10 o'clock last night. I slept around 10 o'clock last night. Can you call your uncle this evening? Can you call your uncle this evening?
Sure, I will call him after dinner. Sure, I will call him after dinner.
Why do you look so happy today? Why do you look so happy today?
I got some good news today. I got some good news today. Did you buy vegetables from the market? Did you buy vegetables from the market?
Yes, I bought fresh vegetables this morning. Yes, I bought fresh vegetables this morning.